Hi there, this video is called Severe Flooding, Surrey, UK 2020. Surrey is flooding, guys, no joke. Time at the moment is approximately 12:55 PM in the afternoon in Analog Digital, and it's the 19th of February, guys, and Surrey is flooding. What we call it Noah's Ark weather conditions at the moment, no joke about that. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Jesus Christ, my we're heading towards the Maybury and right this minute. No joke. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, because the weather is very dangerous today with this rainstorm over the Maybury and across Surrey locally. Thanks for watching, bye everyone.